In this video, I am going to show you how to add a portfolio in Fiverr. You can showcase your work in each of your gigs so that whenever someone will open your gig, they will be able to see samples of that specific gig. For example, in the below image, you can see this is a screenshot of the gig of a Fiverr seller who is offering logo design work. When I open this gig, it is showing me a sample of his work which he has uploaded. So here are the steps to add this type of portfolio to each of your gig. 1. Visit the Fiverr website. You can find the link in the video description. Log into your Fiverr account and go to Gigs. Click on the drop-down button of the gig that you want to upload your portfolio for and add. Click on Edit. Go to the Gallery section. There, you will have the option to upload your portfolio as an image, video or PDF file. Here you can add your selected samples of the work in the form of images, video or PDF document files. If you want to add image, you can add up to 3 images. For the video, you can add only 1 video and its length should be shorter than 75 seconds and the file size should be smaller than 50 megabytes. For PDF documents, you can upload up to documents. It is not necessary to upload all 3 types of samples, but if you upload all, that you will have a great impact on your potential buyers. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.